Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our in-depth tutorial on maintaining your Conga 990, focusing specifically on the motor and roller warranty. In this video, we will walk you through the necessary steps to ensure your machine operates efficiently and remains under warranty. First, let's gather the tools you'll need for this maintenance task. You will require 1. A Phillips screwdriver. 2. A flathead screwdriver. 3. A soft cloth for cleaning. 4. Compressed air canister for dust removal. 5. A torque wrench for securing screws. Now, let's start by turning off your Conga 990 and unplugging it from the power source. Safety is our top priority. Once it's safely powered down, we can begin the disassembly process. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws located at the base of the machine. Make sure to keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them for reassembly. If you encounter any stubborn screws, a drop of penetrating oil can help loosen them up. Next, gently lift the cover to access the internal components. This is where regular cleaning becomes crucial. Use the compressed air canister to blow out any dust or debris that may have accumulated inside the motor compartment. This ensures that your motor runs smoothly, which is vital for maintaining your warranty. As you clean, take a moment to inspect the motor and roller for any signs of wear or damage. If you notice anything unusual, it's essential to address it promptly. Remember, we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so don't hesitate to reach out if you need assistance. After cleaning, let's move on to checking the roller. Carefully detach it from the motor. Inspect the roller for any signs of wear. If the roller shows significant wear, it may affect performance and warranty coverage. Before reassembling, ensure all screws are tightened to the manufacturer's specifications using the torque wrench. This step is vital to avoid any operational issues and keep your warranty intact. Now that everything is cleaned and checked, it's time to reattach the roller and cover. Remember to secure all screws properly. If you don't have the tools or time to perform this maintenance yourself, we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it convenient for you. Finally, plug in your Conga 990 and power it back on. Listen for any unusual sounds during operation, as these can indicate potential issues. If you hear anything concerning, please remember that we provide a quote before repair, ensuring transparency and costs. In conclusion, regular maintenance of your Conga 990 not only extends the life of your machine but also keeps your warranty valid. By following these steps, you can ensure optimal performance and peace of mind. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.